Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. So here, this video is mainly for my financial update, what that we are going to do previously and what we are going to do in future. That I'm going to discuss in this video and my educational qualification regarding the financial market. So I'm going to update my financial educational things on this video, and you can watch service which you can get it out from me, and what are the things which I am doing in related to this uh, financial, and I'm just going to discuss here. This videos look like a introduction, and it may be telling about me. Okay, so previously I started trading that is stock market by 2010, and I was doing a lot of trading related. And by 2010, I was started 3 years working with one firm, and after that, 2013, I started a franchisee with an Allies Blue. So like a broking firm franchisee, which we are doing with the trading broking member, this is a broker. So after 2024, we closed all. So because a lot of rules and regulations from the SEBI side, and some of the certificates which I am holding it, equity dealer and kind of research analyst is something which I have hold it. But right now, so I am just updating my details. So with currently what we are doing and that things which I'm going to discuss with here, and that is what my NISM skills registry, it will be updating what are the current certifications you have and what the things which you have right now, so that will be automatically updated here. So as of now, so I have a 3 NISM certification live, and some expired certifications which that happened is like this mutual fund. It just started, I started from distributing the mutual funds from 2017, that is October. Almost 2018 I started, and initially I was starting that distribution very slow, but right now I am full-fledged. I am doing that kind of mutual fund distribution. So in this channel, if you are interested to mutual funds, also you will be getting more insights like about the mutual funds and SIP, lump sum, and investment strategies, and market updates and NFO. Most of the things which we are going to discuss hereafter in this video, in this YouTube channel. And another one, these are all the every 3 years we have to renew. The first one which I was completed in 2017, and again 2020. The last one which I have done in 2023. So as of now, my validity of the certification is 2026 October. So this is what my live, and that is what a mutual fund distribution. Okay. So and one more certificate, equity derivative, which I am continuing from 2013, but that time it was in NISM, not NISM, it is NCFM. After that NISM, so there, and that certification which is expired by 1st April 2025. Okay, so this is also I have not valid any valid equity derivation certification, and I have 3 times, I'm almost 4 times I'm holding the certificate from 2016, 19, and 22, almost last April, which is expired. And one more certifications which I have done as a research analyst from 2017. I started after Corona, so there is a lot of issue to attend the examination, and again the continuation which is valid up to 2025. But meanwhile, that certification got expired by 23 because of there is a modification on the syllabus something. So that is also I have stopped it. So as of now, so I recently did for a portfolio management services distribution. So this is what one more update from our end. So PMS distribution. PMS is nothing about portfolio management services. So there also I have registered for an AMFI. So for a mutual fund, I have registered from AMFI, Association of Mutual Funds in India. So I got a valid license to distribute the mutual funds. Okay. And one more thing, PMS is then body is an APMI. So Association of Portfolio Managers in India. So there also we got a certification license to distribute the mutual fund. That is a PMS, portfolio management services. You know where that portfolio management services, it is for a high net worth individual. the minimum ticket size of that PMS is a 50 lakhs rupees. So APMI is the body. So for managing the mutual funds, PMS, portfolio management. So here, this is what a body, and AMFI is for a mutual fund. So both mutual fund PMS which you are registered, and one more, sorry, AMFI is the body for mutual fund AMFI. So this is what mutual funds. So both we have a license and we have doing the distributions. So like SIP, lump sum, so a lot of things and a lot of insights and research which you are doing, and such a kind of videos maybe you will be getting regular update in this channel. So if you are really interested to learn mutual funds or start mutual fund, this channel will help you to do that also. And PMS, portfolio management. So that is also be a one more thing. Login for API members. I think I didn't have the password. So okay, so I have the already registered and I got the license from that portfolio manager. And third one, which I have recently finished, is that common derivative. So this common derivative, it is one of the three models like equity derivative and interest rate derivative, and one more subject is currency derivative. So this all three examination, it's a combination of the examination. It's called a common derivative examination. So why this is very important for my career is to distribute the SIF. So SIF is there nothing but specialized investment fund. From 2020 April, I think there is a new launch. SEBI allowed to do that kind of SIF. So, but right now, so there is a two funds in SIF. Is one is an Edelweiss SIF, and the second one is Mirai Asset Platinum SIF. Edelweiss is the Altiva SIF. So no other funds are launched. What is the SIF funds in India? It's a specialized investment funds. So bring this is what in between mutual funds and the PMS. So mutual fund you can start with minimum 100 rupees. PMS minimum is 50 lakhs, and this is specialized investment fund which we can go with a 10 lakh rupees. Okay, so the minimum entry criteria for that specialized investment fund, that is SIF. So the minimum entry criteria is 10 lakh. And what is the benefit in this case? This fund, both like PMS and mutual fund, which is having only long only concepts. So means they will be buying the shares and they will keep accumulating the shares. But here, this is having the one more concept, long and short, both. So for example, if the fund manager who are thinking over the market is going down, so they can't sell a naked future in normally in mutual funds and PMS. They can hedge purpose only, they can do derivatives or futures. But in this particular specialized investment funds, they can be able to sell 25 percentage of their portfolio value, so they can take a naked position also. Just look like another PMS which is under AMCs, that is a mutual fund companies. We are going to perform this, and currently two funds are going to launched already, but officially that investment they are not collecting as of now. So maybe in 2 months that would be starting. Okay, so these are all my thing which I'm going to do hereafter. So mostly I'm not recommending any trades and tips. There are other things we are doing in this channel, mostly of the scanners and screeners part. So after getting the scanners and screeners, you may be use for your own trading strategy, because the scanners and screeners which help you to find the trades, find the stocks. After that, you can apply your any of the strategy. But as per now, so we are now as a registered distributor for mutual funds and PMS, portfolio management services, and now SIF also. These are all the three products which we are doing for registered on respective bodies like a PMS for APMI and a mutual fund for AMFI. Still SIF we can do within a mutual fund. There is no registration, but a certification is very much. So this I completed by 2025. So what you can expect from my channel hereafter? So what are the mutual fund insights and reviews you can expect from that side, and SIP Lumpsum Calculators and goal-based planning. So what planning you can, and PMS, that is what HNA product. So 50 lakhs is the minimum, and SIF, so it is a 10 lakh product. So in between mutual fund and PMS. So these kind of related videos also going to be posted here on my channel, and you are supporting me on the scanners and screeners, and this is also you are going to support. And if you have any questions or a doubt also, I'll be helping you to you can just ping me on WhatsApp or get a comment on this. You'll be getting your questions or doubts clear. And also, if you have any ideas required, you can just ping me on the WhatsApp number. I'll be helping you to make. And these are all the current thing. And this is what my website, which I have created a form. So called a Logi Fintech. That is an AMFI registered thing only. So Logi Fintech is the first in our city is a Kanchipuram. I just registered as the brand as I called a Logi Fintech. This is a partnership firm. Okay, so where we are going to do purely a mutual fund distribution on this. And if you want to find us on AMFI website, so you can search it here, and it will be showing you how long we are do this business or what is the validity. So for information and distribution and locate the distributor. So this is an AMFI website. So where you can find it out. So maybe in pin code 31502. Okay, so where you can check all the bodies. So I have as an individual distributor also, where you can see my AMFI registration number and also the full name, and where you can see, I think you can see SIF validity also added here. That's the new thing I seen here. SIF validity. So I think we need to be updated that. Say validity till. I think this is what ARN it's called for, and mutual fund, and SIF also recently I seen this one. So maybe good. And one more thing, here is my brand, Logi Fintech. So this one we have a validity of 2027. So every 3 years we need to renew. And if you can find it out with this, it's a first corporate body in our PIN. 31502 is our PIN number, and you can just corporate. So we are doing a mutual fund distribution through the corporate body. So that body name is a Logi Fintech. So where you can find it out my website at logifintech.com. So we can find it a lot of calculators for an SIP related, lump sum related, and even goal based SWP, and even your future value, some other cases. These are all the some other the past performance. So these are all the things which you can able to find it out with our website also. So I hope you are going to give you a great support on this channel too. Not the same channel, but the content is going to be slightly changed. But still, I can help you in the scanners and screeners creations also. So I hope you understood and giving you great support on me. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining this session in this video. And thank you so much. If you have any questions related mutual fund, PMS, and even SIF also. So we need to search with the AMFI how to register an SIF here. Okay, so this is the new one. So let me thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and keep supporting and subscribing the channel. Thank you so much.